Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make a meeting in Google Meet. So this is very simple. First, click on New Meeting, and in order to schedule your meeting, I will recommend to schedule in Google Calendar. So click on that. Now simply pick a date where you want to have your meeting. So let's say 17th October. Now pick a time. So let's say 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then simply click if you want to repeat it or not. You can also schedule a meeting to all day if you want. Now simply add guests. So click right here and add guests. Just type their email addresses right here and they will be added. You can also add attachments right here to your Google Meet if you want. And also if you want to name it, you can also name it. So name it tutorial meeting and then press save. You can also send invitations to Google Calendar guests. So press send if you want. And right now click on meeting and join with Google Meet. So as you can see, you can join your meeting. It is really simple to make a meeting in Google Meet. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.